Hi, these comments are for ZA, and I am Michael from OTCOnline-TOEFLcourse.com. Thank you for completing the pretest. The most important thing you can do to improve your speaking. You just did it, right? You completed the pretest for vowel and consonant sounds. And I'm going to listen to the very last part of your
to work on my pronunciation.
pretest.
The third question, which is what do you hope to achieve in this score?
Notice the third. You got to make sure when you produce that TH, your tongue is between your teeth.
I hope to achieve like this score, which is a 26
Okay.
score in speaking, especially because I need to evaluate my certification as a pharmacist in USA, and I will suffering a lot for this thing.
Okay. All right. Thank you for completing that pretest. So with your speaking, I mean, you already nailed it. You did some analysis of your own speaking, right? You're having some problems with word stress, especially the last word in the sentence. You have a lot of pauses and hesitations when you speak. You already know that, right? So you're aware of what your problems are, and now you're trying to figure out how to solve those issues. Okay, based on the pretest, here are the lessons I think are most important for you. Lesson 9, the diphthongs. Lesson 10, the long vowel there. Lesson 12, Lesson 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, and then lesson number 23 and 24. So those are the areas. As you go through the pronunciation lessons, I recommend you go through all of them at least one time, but focus more on the lessons I just outlined in this video. Now, the other thing is, what is your intelligibility score? Right? I'm going to try to figure that out right now. Give me a quick second. On a scale of 1 to 7, 7 being a native speaker, 1 is a beginner speaker of English. I'm going to try to figure out where you are right now. Okay, I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, I'm thinking right now 3.3. I'm going to say 3.3 out of 7. But what does that mean exactly, right? So let's talk about that for a minute. Okay, so I'm putting you in the 3 range here. So I said maybe around 3.3, so that puts you at low intermediate level in your speaking abilities. If you go down, if you scroll down just a little bit, right, I can kind of describe some of what you do when you're speaking right now. It says your accent pronunciation variations are somewhat distracting, but do not prevent understanding. You can answer questions in the form of short sentences and or connected ideas. You can do that. You use complex sentences, but apply rules of grammar, but lacks control of irregular forms. So sometimes you have some grammatical and some vocabulary issues. So this is kind of where you are right now. Now the question is, can you get better? You can get better. It is possible. It'll take time. And the first step is start going through each of these lessons I just outlined. They're really about 10 or 15 minutes of accent reduction practice. So you want to read out loud what you're learning in that video, and that's how you practice your oral communication and also your pronunciation of English. All right, good luck to you. Thank you for completing this practice test.